Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to talk to you about the YTA method, or even YTA course that is selling for $1,000 right now. It's presented everywhere on the YouTube. Probably you get an ad right now about that you should sign up, that you should join a webinar, and don't do it. Don't buy the course, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step how it works, what are the negatives of it, and what are my credentials, why I'm saying it isn't good. I had more than, I don't know, 100 consultations about how to grow a YouTube channel. Myself, I am a full-time YouTuber for a while now, and I created in 4 years more than 30 channels, and 6 times my channels were demonetized. So I think I have like a really good journey about creating channels and developing strategies. So let's just start, and let me show you first the whole process, how it works. So how it works. You find a YouTube channel that already has a traffic. This is assumed to be making money. Say YouTube channel of sport cards. You can find Ask Reddit videos. You can find the bright side. Whatever channel which is generating content, like top 10 ways how you can, I don't know, improve your house, whatever. It doesn't matter what kind of channel it is. Then you set up a YouTube account to copy everything on this channel. So you got, like, this is okay, understandable. This is like normal strategy. You see a YouTube channel which is doing something, and you take and you copy everything what they do. So from the step 1, from the past videos. Now, this is the kicker, the step 3. If you don't have any experience with video editing, with content creation, you need to pay someone to do it for you. And now we have like the first obstacle here. Like, okay, you need to pay someone overseas in like India to make videos for you. So now you got investment and you don't know if it's going to pay off. This is what is really interesting. And like, so you don't do what you enjoy. You are here only for the money. You need to pay someone to make videos for you. And like, this is really bad. And now let's continue. It's going to get worse. Wait for the money to start rolling in. But how do I get subscribers of a quality YouTube channel to move over to my Copy channel that obviously is going to have inferior content because I have absolutely no creative or quality control? So this is, again, you are dependent on an overseas team. And why that team wouldn't start their own YouTube channel? Why would they help you? This is what is like really crazy to me. And so also, what is the really interesting thing is that when you're gonna copy that channel, you don't know if YouTube is going to promote your content because you don't have any experience in creating that type of content, and you don't know how to be better than that channel you are copying. And this is what people don't get. So this is their whole structure. This is the same. I made tutorials about how to make Ask Reddit videos. I got like 50,000 views on it, on the whole, how to set up a strategy, how to make thumbnails, etc. And right now it's getting demonetized. A lot of channels which were doing the Ask Reddit videos are getting demonetized because they're using robotic voice, and there are a lot of them, right? So when you're gonna copy someone, probably someone else is copying also on them. So it's like nothing original. At least like make something like a little bit original and copy everything else. Don't copy everything. And now here's the automation part. Find another YouTube channel to copy and go back to step 1. So you got the revenue source, which is getting you money, and then you choose a new channel and you copy everything there. So this is the strategy. This is the step-by-step process how it works. And now the negatives. Too expensive. Hiring a team, also paying a course $997, which is so damn expensive. You can have like a really good camera and starting creating your own videos that you are interested in and not copying someone. Then the second negative, that it's AdSense only. So you are dependent of a YouTube income, and that's the question, what if something happens to YouTube, right? You need to have more ways of more streams of income coming to you. Like I do. I have Affiliate, I have AdSense. I don't have just only AdSense. Now, You need to pay the money to team overseas if they want to copy the channel. So again, now, what if you don't even get monetized? And this is like the most important thing. You need 4,000 hours watch time and you need 1,000 subscribers. What if you don't get it in like 1 year? For this channel, Marcus Stone, it took me 8 months to get monetized. And I was creating content daily. Daily, not weekly. 8 months. Right now it's earning good money and it will earn better money next year or 2 years later. But what if they see that you are copying, that you are not creating nothing original, and they will demonetize you? They won't even let you monetize your content, right? Now, again, promoting channels like relaxing videos, ask credit videos, no copyright free music, they won't even get monetized, and they are getting right now demonetized because it's not original. So it's not worth it at all. And now my question is like, if you don't have passion for it, why even do it? Why would you do something that you are not passionate about? Let's say that you love writing, you love designing. Don't start a YouTube channel about sport cards. I like finance, I like educating people. I love it. So I do that. I love web development. I love making tutorials. I really enjoy it. So that's what I do. That's what I love. And you need to find what you like and build a business around it, because people are gonna feel that what you do is not sincere, that you don't actually enjoy it in your deep inner self. And the last thing, not understanding that it can take time. And it will take time. Like, guys, okay, let me show you something, and I will show you like this. There is a channel which is creating original content, right? And you want to copy that channel from, like, they have the good positions in search, in suggested videos, because they are trustworthy, they are original, right? So all suggested videos and also all search results are dominated by them. Really dominated. And now you come and you want to take them from their first, second place. How do you think that can work if you don't make any original or any copycat? It can't work. YouTube is not going to promote you. And even if it would happen that they would promote you, it would take goddamn long time. And now, if you don't have passion for it, how you can handle it for such a long time? It's my question. Now, what to do? And again, we are getting back what I was talking about. What do you actually like to do? Like, guys, if you love anime, make videos about anime. If you like a game, make a video about the game. So for example, for a while, I'm going to show you my channel, one of my channels, and which is like really starting out. And you will like it. Give me a second. So this is one of my channels. And I was starting this channel because I like the game. I don't like to play the game anymore, so I don't make any videos about it. But you see that I have 59 subscribers. Look at this. I know that this is like nothing, but imagine if I would be working like daily on this channel. It would have like 100,000, 200,000 views easily. Right now, the last video I made, look how many videos I have. I uploaded a video in December. In December, imagine that. It was like 5-6 months ago. And in January 1, but this was nothing. I made tutorials, right? About Rainbow Six Siege. Look at this, 3,000 views monthly. And look, like, trust me, if I would work on it, it would get, but I don't enjoy it anymore and my hand hurts, so I don't work anymore because I don't like playing the game anymore. But this is how we do it. Slow and steady wins the race. And if I would show you my channel, and I will show you this. Look at this. Do you see that it took time? And now in 1 year, it will be even further, even bigger, easy. So this is what you need to understand. That it will take time, and build a business around something you will love. something you're passionate about, something you like to read, Stoicism, Taoism, philosophies, it doesn't matter. And try to build something meaningful and don't try to seek shortcuts. This is so damn crucial. Everyone is trying to find shortcuts. Everyone is trying to earn money fast, but it will take time. Oh my God, it will take such a long time. But if you try to build in long term, you will build it fast. This is how it works. If you try to get the love, you won't get it. But in the moment when you are like free and you don't seek it, it will come to you. Same with the money and same with everything. Don't push it. Don't go to the YTA method, the YTA course. It's not worth it at all. If you have any questions about starting a YouTube channel, you can write me. I can consult you. I can help you on your journey. But don't do this. Really don't. So thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye, guys.